welcome back to my channel. Today I'm looking at Ike Pars's new course, which is all about AI colouring books. And before you think, wait, I'm not an artist or a designer, well, this is for everyone who wants to create colouring books. With AI colouring books, you can legally create and sell your very own colouring books without any tech skills or design experience. Sounds pretty good, right? Let's take a look. And remember to watch until the end, as I'll be sharing some extra tips and info to help you make the most out of this course. So here's what's on offer. AI Colouring Books provides you with details of the free AI software that allows you to easily create stunning colouring books, and you don't need to spend a fortune on expensive software or hire freelancers. It's all right there for you for free. This means you can start your colouring book empire without breaking the bank. Now, I've been through this course and it is incredibly easy to use. Ike has also done the hard work of finding profitable niches for you so you can focus on creating and selling your colouring books, and he covers the AI software you can use in some detail. Now, the main software he uses is Midjourney, and that is a paid version. Currently around $10 a month for the basic subscription, less if you pay annually. It is still considered one of the best out there. But he also uses a free AI software called Blue Willow, which isn't bad by comparison. You can check that out at the link in the description below. However, Blue Willow has introduced a trial period for a number of graphics. I think it's 25, might be 30. And then what they call a pay what you can system, so not quite as free as it once was. But here is another AI that I've been using, which is almost as good as Midjourney and is still free. It's called Leonardo.ai. Again, I'll leave the link below. The free version of Leonardo gives you 150 fast generations per day, as you can see. Enough for anyone to get started, and after that, again, it's around $10 a month, and that gives you 8,500 generations per month. So as you can see, you get 30 upscales with the free account and 1,700 with the apprentice account. There are 2 higher levels if you're really serious. Be warned, it takes about 2 weeks to get accepted on the site. You just have to fill in a form and be patient. They email you once you're in. I recommend you sign up now to get ahead of things. Ike talks about built-in free buyer traffic. He says no need to worry about how to get people to see and buy your colouring books. AI Colouring Books has got you covered. In reality, we're talking about Amazon, so you will need to make sure you watch the videos about niche targeting, good covers, and making sure you've set yourself up for success. Here's what he has to say about his course.
Pause. I'm going to make this real quick. This is not going to be some long, drawn-out video sales letter. I'm going to show you a real way to earn online selling coloring books on the world's biggest buyer traffic platform. And the cool thing is you don't need any design skills, you don't need art skills and or tech skills. So easy, in fact, I was able to teach my wife this very same method, and she makes a nice little side hustle for herself with minimum effort. And like myself, she has no design skills, no art skills, and or tech skills. Okay, so if that sounds like you, this is for you. Okay, now you might be thinking, is this another AI generation course or AI generated product course? No. Okay, because a lot of these courses, you get a prompt, you feed the AI the prompt, you get something, and you publish that on Amazon. You don't want to do that. Trust me. Okay, there is a right way and a wrong way to do this. A right way to profit on Amazon, and a wrong way where it's going to get your account terminated. Okay, what you want to do is create unique AI generated coloring books, and that requires a process. Okay, a process of removing what you create with AI from the AI source, so that once you publish that on the world's biggest buyer traffic platform, this product is unique to you and your brand. And again, I can't stress this enough. It's very simple. And the best part is, if you want, you could only use 3 tools. You don't have to pay for any tools, any software whatsoever. I give it all to you on a silver platter. And that's what this AI coloring books course is all about. The course plus software toolkit. I'm going to have this on the affordable side right now. So if you check out the links below, go through this page and make sure it's right for you. And I hope to see you inside. Be good.
I have a couple of Ike's courses and I can vouch that they are very straightforward to follow. If you go to leave the page, a $9 discount code pops up. You can also buy his training about Amazon ads, which if you have the budget can boost your sales from the start. So here's my tip. If you're interested in the upsells again, you can get a $9 discount on them by going to leave the page. There is a pop-up with a discount code on each of them. One thing that really stood out to me about AI coloring books is you don't need to stress about copyright issues. You can create original content without any legal problems. That means you can let your creativity flow and bring your unique ideas to life. And it's a relief to know you can create without restrictions, isn't it? Now here's a pro tip for you. Think about a niche or a theme that you're really passionate about. Maybe it's animals, nature, or even inspirational quotes. Choose one of those niches and create a colouring book that reflects your passion. Not only will it be enjoyable for you to create, but it will also resonate with your audience. Remember, people love authenticity. So guys, if you're looking for a simple and effective way to make money online, AI Colouring Books is worth checking out. With Ike's comprehensive course and tools, you'll learn everything you need to know about creating and selling colouring books. You can say goodbye to complicated methods and with a bit of persistence and time, say hello to daily passive royalties. Here's a preview of the full funnel. You can see the initial prices listed here, $37 for the front end. The first upsell is a masterclass, and then he has his colouring book prompt bank, and then his AI book ads, and then his children's book Royalty Academy. And each of the prices are listed here. And as I've said before, if you go to leave the page, a $9 discount code pops up. These are the prices at the time of recording this video. To get started, just click the link in the description below to access AI Colouring Books. I don't think you'll regret it. If you've always wanted to get into the publishing world, then this is the time to unleash your creativity, make money online and have fun doing it. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Start creating and selling your very own colouring books today. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting reviews and tips. Until the next time, take care and happy colouring.